Argo Industrial Services, your trusted name in commercial, residential, and industrial dry ice blasting. Our dry ice blasting is the service you've been waiting for. Using environmentally friendly dry ice pellets, we clean tough surfaces without water, harsh chemicals, or damage. Perfect for mold remediation, fire restoration, machinery, and electrical component cleaning. Say goodbye to downtime and hello to efficiency. Argo Industrial Services gets the job done faster, safer, and cleaner. Ready to see the difference? Call Argo Industrial Services today at 705-759-2128 or visit our website at argosu.com to learn more. Argo Industrial Services, powering your productivity.